This rebuild kit has all the parts you need to freshen up that worn engine. These parts are manufactured directly from only high-quality companies with ISO, QS and TS quality systems in place. These are not cheap Chinese parts, this is a quality kit that will last. This rebuild kit will include full gasket set, dish top pistons, premium piston rings, main/rod/cam bearings, 3 PC timing set, oil pump, cams haft, 050 dir, 214/224 lift, 0.512/0.538C/L, 107/117, 16 hydraulic lifters, freeze plugs, valve stem seal sizes available, pistons and rings STD, 030, 040, 060-rod/main bearings STD, 010, 020, 030, 040. After you order, you need to send us a message letting us know what size of parts you want. Thanks, the pictures are accurate and show you the actual parts that you will be buying. Because of limits, sometimes not all the parts are pictured, but we always try to supply pics of the main pieces. If you have any other questions,